Hey, to change icons size and style on the Realme 12 5G, we have to just go into the settings. Then we have to move into the wallpapers and the style and click on the icons. Now, let's first change the icons style. So as you can see, by clicking here, we can change the different theme of the icons. But also, when you click on the custom, you can change the shape of the icons. So you can stay, for example, with this theme, but you can change this this shape of the icons. But also, you can download other icons style by going to more. And now you can find the different themes where you can find the different icons style. For example, right here. If you want to get these yellow icons, you have to just click apply and get this theme. And if you want to change icons size, you have to move this slider to the left or to the right side to increase or decrease size of every icon. And below you can also find some other options, like you can show or hide app names, and also you can change size of the name of the applications. Then you have to click apply and it will be finished.